For various reasons, I'm sure all of us have chosen to leave a team or group or a community of people for one reason or another. I hope that when you left that group, the leader took the time to express how valuable you were to the group and bless you as you move on to something else. So, if you are a leader of any kind of organization, I want to help you develop a plan for honoring people who leave your group, so it can be done in a way that prevents unwanted drama by writing a standard "thank you for participating" letter that fits your group. This letter recognizes a person's value, whether or not you're actually going to miss them. Hi, I'm Bethany. I am owner and creator of Music, Art, and Drama Mad Society. Even though I have never been thankful that someone's left my group, I would have afforded them this letter regardless. In writing this letter, you're basically going to provide 7 short sentences or paragraphs. Number 1 will be an expression of how you're feeling that they left and that you trust their reason and hope to understand. Number 2 will be something cute that includes a slogan or a cheer or a statement about how they will always hold a permanent place in your heart. Number 3 is a call to action to keep checking out what the group is doing and offer a way they can still feel part of the community in the future, but also giving that responsibility to the member who is leaving and not keeping that responsibility on you as a leader. Number 4 is a request for the reason they're leaving and how they want it told to others, so there isn't any negative chatter surrounding their departure. Number 5 is an open door statement that expresses the desire for the club to be its best and you would like feedback, just as long as it's delivered respectfully. Number 6, express that you will need to remove them from the group communication and any other perks offered to only current members. Number 7 would be an offer to return if it's a group that doesn't have an age limit and they left under good circumstances, and or a blessing over their new adventures. I put a lot of research and reflective time and prayer in this thank you for participating letter, so I'd like to share mine from my club with you. Dear student or member, we are sad to see you leave active participation in Mad Society, but we understand that time is limited and all our adventures should be tailored to where each of us is called to be. Once a Mad member, always a Mad member means you will always have a special place in our hearts and be viewed as one of us. Please watch for advertisements for our shows because past Mad members are eligible for free tickets and passes to dress rehearsals. As you know, some Mad social events are open for bringing friends. Be sure to ask your coach, wingman, or friends in Mad if there's something coming up that you could attend. Sometimes Mad members have questions or assumptions when someone leaves the group, especially when they're missed. If you wish to share your reasons with the coach or wingman, we'll do our best to communicate accurate information if needed. If you have some issues or constructive criticism for the coach and wingman, we ask that you share it with them and not others in a love sandwich, please. We will go ahead and remove you from the Mad roster, Mad app, and Mad communication so you can focus on other endeavors. There will always be a spot waiting for you should you choose to return. May you be blessed as you continue to pursue all the gifts inside of you and be a leader who brings blessings to the ends of the earth. With much love, your coach and wingman. Obviously, if you write your own letter, you'll want to fill in things that are specific to your club, remove sections that don't make sense for your club, and add ones that would make a better letter for you. Before you send a letter, personalize it for each student. Make sure you send it to them in a way that you will know for sure they received it, and follow up if you don't get a response. You really want to honor the person who left and explain to the group the reason that they left in the way that they want it explained, and no more. I think back to all the groups that I've been part of with my 5 kids, and I wonder what it would have meant to them. I know it would have meant a lot to them if the leader of that organization had sent them this kind of letter blessing them on their next journey. I know that's the kind of leader I want to be, and I hope that's the kind of leader you want to be as well. Encourage the other students still in your club to reach out and let those students who aren't attending anymore know that they are missed. Remind your current students to invite past students to come to social events, and consider offering free tickets to future shows, games, or events. Add comments below if there are ways that you know I could make my letter better and so could other people. Consider watching my video on leading and coaching through conflict, or my video on organizing your club with one document.